Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Evan and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm super excited because in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Morton Koopa plush, okay? I've been waiting for this I've really wanted this. This is I'm really excited for this. How am I going to get this open? I'm kidding. But I guess I'll just rip it. Ugh. Here we go. Strip that. I guess that's it. We'll put that right there. I can just open it like this. I may have to take off this packaging right here. Or I could just try and oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, dude! There he is! Yes! This is exactly what I've been waiting for. I love this. Oh, that's my dog Boo Boo. Let me close the door again. Oh my god, I'm so happy, dude. Oh yes. This is perfect. I thought it was gonna be I was hoping for it not to be an off-brand version, but it is perfect, dude. Oh, he's so cool. Look at this. We're definitely making a video on this guy. He's perfect. This is the perfect plush. I really suggest for all you plush video makers out there to buy this. If you're like a Mario plush, YouTuber, you need to get this. This is amazing. I love this. So hold on, I'm gonna take off the tag. Let me get this, and this is official because it says Super Mario and stuff, and yeah. So let's take this off. I got it. We could keep this up here or something. But this is the Morton Koopa plush. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Peace.